Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video. And in today's video I want to show you a very cool way you can start implementing and start doing affiliate marketing and start making $100 a day with Amazon and YouTube with affiliate marketing. Yes. Now, remember this video will involve doing affiliate marketing and moreover using Amazon. So this consists of just promoting Amazon products as an affiliate. Yes. So that's basically it. Now, you may even didn't know that Amazon had an affiliate program, and obviously that's why I'm making this video. And the affiliate program is called Amazon Associates. Yes. Now, before we get into the video and I explain you how you can start promoting Amazon products through YouTube. So if you want more affiliate marketing content, more make money online ideas, and obviously how to succeed online, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification icon, and obviously make sure to stay until the end so that you fully understand this method. Yes, and you know how to play it. Yes. Now let's get into the video. Let's get into the video, guys. So as I said, this method will involve you just being an affiliate, but for Amazon. Now, as you can see, it's free to join. You just have to go to join now. My account got shut down because I wasn't using Amazon Associates. So if Amazon sees that your account is not being used, they will actually remove that account for inactivity. Yes. So as you can see, it's very self-explanatory. You join, you advertise. You can choose over 1 million products that Amazon has. And you can promote it on a site as a blogger, which works very good. Where many bloggers do their money is through being an Amazon affiliate. So what they will do is they do reviews on products of Amazon, and they will do articles, and they will leave their affiliate links on that article, so that people, when they click on that link and buy the product from them, they earn a commission. So that is where you see that you can they say whether you are a large network content site or blogger, they give you linking tools where you can start advertising their products. Yes, and monetize your website as a blogger. So obviously Amazon, if you are a blogger who has tons of traffic coming monthly to your blog, then you obviously may know that Amazon, it's a good way, Amazon Associates, it's a good way to monetize your site. Now, here it says earn. Now, this is the most important part, because they give you up to 10% cuts of commissions. So that's not great. Obviously, there are affiliate programs which gives you even 50 to 70% commissions or commission rates, and that's not, obviously this is not a lot, but you have to think it like this. Amazon is the biggest shopping site in the world. Yes, and obviously they have thousands of affiliate, more like thousands and thousands. I'm going to say that they have near the 6-figure number of affiliates. So obviously they can't give you 50% for every product that you refer, or that for every product that you sell, because obviously they wouldn't have any profit, because they have thousands and thousands of affiliates. So and it's not a digital product, and by not being a digital product, obviously the product is easy to sell than a digital product. Yes, physical is always more sellable. Is that a word? It's more easy to sell than a digital product. Yes, so that's why they give you up to 10%. They even give you lower fees. Yes, so once you join the Amazon Associates, here's the good thing. Now, let's say I promote a product and you go to Amazon, but you decide that you don't want the product, but you don't abandon Amazon.com. So you stay on the website and decide to buy a recommendation. So let me give you an example. Let's go to Amazon.com. So let's say I land to Amazon.com through your affiliate link on your blog site on YouTube, and you recommend me this backpack. But then when I see the backpack, I just go here to the bottom and see that there's a better backpack, or a better, even a better, I see a bed, for example, or a non-related product to this one, and I buy this product. Yes, for example, I don't know like this bag, so I will choose this one. And if I even buy another product on Amazon, obviously if I don't leave the site, then Amazon will also pay you for that product that the customer is buying. Why? Because you are obviously bringing sales, even despite that they didn't bought the initial product that you promoted to them. So you are incentivize them to stay on the site and to buy on the site. So that is why Amazon is paying you for, despite that they didn't bought the product that you promoted to them. Yes. So now I want to show you a cool way you can start promoting Amazon products on YouTube, which is a free traffic source. Obviously, and now obviously YouTube, it's trending. It's the best trending way to get free traffic and free viral traffic. Yes. So I'm going to show you some of the ways that people are getting commissions through YouTube for their as Amazon affiliates. Yes. So I'm going to type something like tech gadgets, and obviously we're going to go to the description. For example, this one, Future Tech, 4 months ago, 10 new tech gadgets 2019 available on Amazon. So this is a very cool way you can start doing. Now I'm going to show you a way, yes, that you actually don't need to even record yourself, and also you don't even have to create the content. Obviously you will have to create the content, but it will be an easy way for you to create this type of videos where you will put in the description your Amazon affiliate links. And remember, these types of videos get viral traffic. Yes, it depends on the niche of the product you want to promote, but mainly you want to focus on products that are prone to get viral traffic.
Welcome to Future Tech.
So here
today I will talk about
video.
the 10 latest tech gadgets of
And you are even seeing
2019.
that the videos in the back are not from this guy. So he's using stock videos and he's just putting his voice over these videos. You could do the same. Yes, you could obviously contact the owner of this product and ask them for videos or for just like reviews of these videos. Yes, and what I would do instead is I will just grab images of this product, for example, or the product that you want to promote. And what I would do is I would go to a page called lumen5.com. So I would go to lumen5.com and I will create a video. Yes, you can create an account. It's free. They have a pro version where they allow you to create more videos without the watermark. But what I would do is obviously I would download all these images. Yes, I would download all these images and I will start making a video for YouTube with Lumen 5. Yes, it's very easy now. So I will start downloading all these images and I would start making a video by uploading my media to Lumen 5. Yes, so let me download quickly these images and show you how this is made. So guys, I have downloaded the images of this product. I've downloaded the images and now I'm going to create a video with Lumen 5, and as you can see I had prepared the images. So I'm going to, once you have the images prepared, you just drag and drop them to the top where it says upload media, and you will just say continue, and you will obviously look for the YouTube landscape template, and you will have to choose a preset, a theme for the review, And in this case, I'm going to go with the every moment. And as you can see, it will create these templates. Wait a second. It will create these templates where you will have, you can add texts. Yes, where you can add text to the images and obviously make a review yourself without even showing your face. Now, once you finish the video, you can even upload music that they even give you, and you will go to publish and download it, and you will go to YouTube and you will go to upload video, and you will upload this video, and you will obviously search, and you will in the title you will put the Attilio Gym backpack. In this case, you will put Attilio Gym backpack review. So it will be the product name, review, and then you will go to the description. You will add a brief description about the video, and you will go to Amazon Associates, yes, and you will grab the Amazon affiliate link for this product. Now, when you have signed in to Amazon Associates, there will be a tab here before the description of the product where you can grab the Amazon affiliate link. So you will go to the description, obviously add a good description. I have a template for every description of my videos. Sorry, this is a mess. And you go to YouTube. Well, you just create your own description. I have my own template. Obviously, a good rule of thumb is to always have for your YouTube videos an already made template for your description. And here, where there is a blank space, you will paste your affiliate link. In this case, obviously, I don't have any affiliate link, but you just paste your Amazon Associates affiliate link for the product that you want to promote. Yes, so this was all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. It's a very self-explanatory method that you can start using because the videos are very easy to make. You just have to download the images from Amazon and then start promoting them as a whole. Yes, so comment on the section now below what you think of the video. If you have any questions, remember to like so that you help me with the YouTube algorithm, and remember to watch other of my videos, guys. Yes, so I will be seeing you till next video.